your client and vehicle number.
Hello? Who is this?
This is ARI Fleet. How may I help you?
Yeah, I need a truck right away.
Pardon?
I'm looking for a truck, douchebag. Who is this?
Who's calling?
Hello? Brutus! My name is Brutus! Who is this? I'm looking for a truck, douchebag. Hello?
Yes?
Come on, speak to me. Who is it?
What's your vehicle number?
Huh?
What's your vehicle number?
What? Which one?
Well, I have your phone number, 727-378-5650. Do you want to continue?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I need a truck right away.
Okay, you got a vehicle number?
I'm sorry it is about that. Yeah, I need a truck right away.
Okay.
I'm looking for a truck, douchebag. Who is this?
What company are you with?
Hello?
Hello?
Hey, listen here, fuckwad. What do I have to do? Come right down there then?
Yeah,
Hey,
I think you do.
hey, you're pissing me off. And then what do I have to do? Come right down there then?
Okay, hey, we got your phone number, and when I turn this over to the authorities, they'll trace it, and this call's been recorded, so...
Why are you being a wise ass?
Excuse me? I think this call's about to end.
Hello?
Hello?
I'm looking for a truck, douchebag. Hey, motherfucker, stop hanging up on me.
I haven't hung up on you yet.
Stop hanging up on me.
I haven't hung up on you yet, have I? You still talking to me?
Yeah, listen up to this. New York. I'm in New York. Hello?
Okay, well...
I'm in New York.
Give us a call back, okay?
Why are you being a wise ass?
All right, this call's over now. Goodbye.
Stop hanging up on me. Who is it? Come on, speak to me. I'm looking for a truck, douchebag.